to show you how to make this wonderful pesto pasta with goat cheese and sun-dried tomatoes. Chef Dom is not here today. It's during the week. I just got off of work and my wife wanted some pesto sauce, so I thought I'd make a video. Anyway, I want to give a shout out to American Shredding. They're a document destruction company. They also shred electronic media like hard drives, CDs, DVDs, and we also do product destruction. Anyway, let's get started on this recipe. Pesto. Here we have our basic ingredients. Of course, we have the main attraction here, fresh basil. We have pine nuts. We have fresh garlic, some Reggiano Parmesan, sea salt, white pepper, and some extra virgin olive oil. All right, the first thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and remove the leaves from the stems, and we're going to place it in a cold water bath. And we're going to let this soak in there for about 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. This really adds more density to the leaves when you're blending up the basil and the pine nuts. It adds a little more density and makes more of a paste. All right, the leaves are all ready. I'm going to go ahead and let that soak in water for about 15 minutes. And now we're going to go ahead and I'm going to toast our pine nuts because this really helps bring out the flavors. It releases the oils from the nuts and it gives it a great flavor. Just be careful you don't burn them. Keep an eye on them and flip them around every once in a while. There we go. Okay. All right, pine nuts are ready. Just want to lightly brown them. You don't want to get them too dark because they will be bitter then. So now the oils are released. They have a much better flavor. Now these are ready for the blender. But before we put them in there, we want to be sure that these are cooled off. All right, the basil's been soaking in the water here for about 15 minutes now. I went ahead and chilled the blender because it helps prevent oxidation or the basil from oxidizing. And when it does oxidize, it gives off a bitter taste, so we want to prevent that. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and put our basil. This is about 4 cups of basil. You just want to shake off a little bit of water, keep some of that moisture on the leaves. All right, now we're going to add just 1 small clove of garlic, and then we're going to go ahead and add these pine nuts. Beautiful. All right, now we're just going to go ahead and blend these up. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add salt and pepper. By the way, that was 1/3 cup of pine nuts if I didn't say it earlier. Now we're going to go ahead and put a teaspoon of sea salt and about 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Go ahead and close that up. All right, now we're going to go ahead and add the extra virgin olive oil. We're going to add about 1/2 cup. We're going to pour it in slowly. Okay, final step. We're going to go ahead and add about 1 cup of the Reggiano Parmesan. You don't want to blend it too much. Just, just a little bit. Whoa, cheese went wild there. Okay. bitterness, nice sweet basil flavor. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a bowl, separate bowl, and we're gonna start cooking our pasta. Nice and pasty. Best bowl. There we go. That'd be perfect for a pound of pasta right there. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and cook our pasta, get this ready. Went ahead and got some Celentani. I really like these noodles because they have little ridges in it and it helps that pesto to really cling on to those noodles. We're gonna go ahead and cook those up about 12 to 14 minutes. Then we'll be back. All right, pasta's just about ready. We're gonna go ahead and put about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in that pan. And now I'm going to take about a half a clove of garlic. Slice that up. Put it in the pan. All right, garlic's cooked. Just want to get a little translucent. You don't want to brown it at all. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some sun-dried tomato. Saute that up a bit. Oil. Pasta's cooked. I'm going to go ahead and drain it. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the pasta. And now the pesto. Turn it off and stir that in. Coat all that pasta with that delicious pesto. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put it in the bowl now. Oops, lost one. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Now we're gonna add some crumbled goat cheese. I find that goat cheese goes really well with pesto and sun-dried tomatoes. Such a creamy, rich cheese. Very nice. Got it. Spread it all over that bowl there. And there you have it. Beautiful pesto pasta. All right, let's test these out now. Grab some pesto pasta with some of the sun-dried tomato. Oh, beautiful. Just want to give it a taste. Get some of that sun-dried tomato in there, some of that goat cheese. Very hot. Man, this is a winner. Anyway, you gotta try this recipe. It's freaking awesome. Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers, and we'll see you next time with Dominic. Have a good night.